If you're looking to build a super profitable business with low startup costs but high customer demand, then you should start a cleaning business. And in this video, I am sharing the top 5 reasons I started my cleaning business over 20 years ago. And looking back over those 2 decades, every single one of them is still true. Let's get to work. In my intro, I actually already gave you 3 reasons. It's very profitable, it doesn't cost a lot to start, and there is a huge demand. But number 1 on this list is you get to build something you own. For a short time after college, I worked for someone else. And in the back of my mind, there was always this nagging thought. Why am I putting so much time and effort into building someone else's business when I could be building my own? And many aspiring entrepreneurs have that same thought. And at times, it might go even further. You could see mistakes your employer is making, or see opportunities for growth they're missing. But quite often, your hands are tied because it's just not your business. But all that changed when I decided to build my own cleaning business. And to this day, I have 0 regrets. Number 2 is freedom. There is just something about being in control. Your schedule, your decisions, your goals. And once you taste that for yourself, it's hard to ever go back to working for someone else again. Number 3, you get to make your own schedule. Obviously, to a large extent, the types of cleaning clients you go after will affect your schedule. But ultimately, you're in control of this because it's your business. But beyond the day-to-day work schedule, you're also in control of when you can schedule time off. One of the things I hated the most about working for someone else was always fighting for the same vacation days everyone else wanted. But I haven't done that in over 20 years, and I don't plan to ever again. Number 4, no boss. Do I even need to say any more? And number 5, if you double your production, you can either double your income or cut your workload in half. There are 2 things that are typically always decided for you when you work for someone else: how much money you can earn and how many hours you are required to work. Say you're really good at your job and extremely focused, and you get more work done in less time than anyone else. How are you rewarded for that? Usually, you just get more work for the same pay. But when you own your own cleaning business, there are no limits or restrictions. So if you're a solo cleaner and you can get twice as fast, then you can either work half the hours or find more clients and make double the money. Or even better, use that extra time to scale your business by bringing on staff. And then there's no limit to how big you can grow. So obviously, there are way more benefits than that. Those are just 5 of my favorites. As I talk about in other videos, you'll also gain financial freedom. This business is highly scalable, and as you build relationships, you'll harness the power of repeat customers. But in the end, there are a million things that can hold us back as entrepreneurs. And if you focus on these things, you'll just get frustrated and never move forward. So instead, focus on the rewards and find your financial and personal freedom starting now. And if you need a little more motivation, then watch this video next. And be sure to check out my coaching program, which is linked below all of my videos.